The lungs are important respiratory organs of the human body, located within the chest, one on the left and one on the right. The main function is to carry out gas exchange, inhaling oxygen into the body. Carbon dioxide is emitted at the same time. The lungs are made up of many tiny airways and alveoli. The airway includes the trachea, bronchi, etc. They branch like twigs, eventually forming numerous small alveoli. Now, we will explore its microscopic world through a he-stained lung section. We noticed that the surface of the lung section showed a network structure composed of alveoli. The alveoli are a key part of the lungs for gas exchange. Their walls are thin, allows oxygen to spread rapidly into the bloodstream. Carbon dioxide is also expelled from the body. Continue to zoom in on the position indicated by the circle on the screen. This is the pulmonary artery. It branches further to form capillaries. These are the little tubes located between the alveoli. The large cavities in the picture are bronchioles. These bronchioles continue to branch into respiratory bronchioles. It has openings to the alveoli. This is a respiratory bronchioles in the picture. The alveolar sac is a cystic cavity formed by the common opening of many alveoli. It has the effect of distributing nutrients. In lung slices, we can also see some other structures, such as lymphatic vessels and some body tissues. The lymphatic vessels are involved in maintaining the normal physiological function of the lungs. When there is a problem with the lungs, large numbers of lymphocytes appear in the alveoli, accompanied by connective tissue hyperplasia. By observing lung slices, we're learning a lot more about the anatomy of the lungs. We also deeply understand its importance to our body. Every breath, the lungs are working silently, provides us with fresh oxygen. Let our lives continue. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in the micro world, you can follow me. Leave a message in the comment area. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.